Storm and floods. In a big storm, the wind blows very hard. There's usually a lot of rain or snow. There may be thunder and lightning too. Types of storms. The pictures below show some of the things that can happen during different types of storms. Lightning is a dark, big spurt of electricity in the sky. Thunder is the noise that the spike makes. A tornado is a spinning wheel of wind. It whirls along, sucking up anything in its path. A hurricane is a huge storm with lots of wind and rain. It can destroy towns and forests. The swirling clouds on this photograph of the Earth are a hurricane, a huge storm with lots of wind and rain. Storms at sea. At sea, violent storms and huge waves can appear suddenly and cause terrible damage. Tornadoes called waterspouts sometimes pull seawater up into a spinning column. This sucks up anything in its path as it moves across the sea. Giant sparks of electricity zigzag through the air during a lightning storm in Arizona, USA. Floods. It's a lot of rain falls in a short time, or if it rains for a long time. Rivers get too full and spill onto the land. This causes floods which cover land that is usually dry. Monsoon floods. A monsoon is a wind that blows one way all summer and the other way all winter. In Asia, the monsoon in summer brings very heavy rain from the ocean.